Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another massive super episode right here on this channel. In this video we are going to look at what is unpickling in Python. So unpickling in Python's mechanism for deserializing objects is actually converting serialized byte streams back into usable Python objects. It allows developers to restore complex data structures previously saved to disk or transmitted over networks, essentially reassembling original Python objects from their binary representation. So here's an example of unpickling a Python object. So here's a sample code of unpickling a previously saved dictionary, where this process actually reconstructs the original dictionary with all nested structures intact and ready for immediate use. So we do the import pickle, and then we open and unpickle the data, and then we get this output. Try this out in your VS Code and do let us know how it actually went. So unpickling is actually like unpacking a digital suitcase, and everything you carefully packed earlier comes out exactly as you left it. So that's exactly what it means to unpickle in Python objects. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Do let us know how it went with the code, and we'll assist you if you had any issues.